I'll introduce myself. My name is Raj. I've been riding for about 4 or 5 years now. This is my second bike. I started off with a GN 125 and now I've got a BMW 310 GS. This is going to be a pretty short video. I'm really going to talk about a few things about myself, very quickly there. Why I ride, and why I created this channel, I guess, and then where I see this channel going. So where are we going? We're going to go to the airport. Well, a lookout near to the airport. Then we'll check out some planes flying through and landing, maybe taking off. And then after that we'll cruise home. So this channel is called Two Real Scientists. Alright. I love motorbikes and I'm a scientist. Okay, so why do I like riding? It's fun. I can go for adventures, I can go see Auckland. One day I want to go touring. I think it'll be fun. And I think one big thing is it scares me. And I think it's always good to do something that scares you. I always feel a bit worried, a bit apprehensive before I get on the bike, but once I'm on, I feel free. With the wind running through a helmet, it's a really amazing feeling. So the second part of my channel is about science. I don't know how much science content this channel will have, but maybe in the future I may do a video on what I do. So I am a scientist. I work in a lab, and maybe as I said, I might do another video on that. It's a bit windy today. I created it because I don't think it's going to be a very big channel. I don't expect it to be a very big channel, but I think I just want to share the things that I enjoy with others. And another part of that is, I don't know if YouTube's rules will change, their policy will change, and they'll remove all this content. But it may be there forever, and it may be one way that the next generation, my kids' kids and their kids, are able to see the things that I enjoyed, who I was, and who I may become. So we're heading towards the domestic terminal of the airport, and then we're going to hang left at the roundabout, and then we'll go to the lookout. And he's even making a new hangout. Jeez, massive. Here's the plane landing. Was a walk around on my bike. That was a special request. Hope you enjoyed that. Alright, we're gonna head home now. Eventually I'd like to do some motor touring and go see a bit more of New Zealand and maybe even some international trips. Not sure right now though. Alright, so where is this channel going? I've really no expectations, but I created 2 videos already. The first one was really just an experiment to see and to test out the camera and my video editing skills, or lack of video editing skills. Second one was more of a series that I want to try to do, which will just explore the beaches in New Zealand. Well, not New Zealand, but Auckland. And then I guess I took it to the airport because I'll be catching a plane in about a week's time, and I'll be going to India for a month, which should be an amazing experience. And I'll be capturing a whole lot of footage, and I'll try to make a series of videos of that adventure. That'll be a family trip, so most likely my family and my kids will be on that video, in those videos, and the fun adventure we're going to be having. And then I want to carry on doing this kind of videos where I'm talking. Feels a bit unnatural, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. There might be some videos on, well, a video on the gear I use for video editing and shooting, and a video on my protection, my jacket, hats, gloves, and the protection that I use when I'm riding.